Hey yo guys, samahan nyo ako as we do another vlog, a long vlog this time. And samahan nyo ako as we go to Siquijor to celebrate, to showcase, and to test out the new Oppo Reno 13 from Oppo Philippines. So it was good, it was great that they sent me over to join their junket out of town to test out the actual phone, and so far sobrang ganda nito. I'll show you. Alright, so nandito naman tayo ngayon sa first stop ng aming adventure. Ito ay ang Dumaguete Seafront Hotel. Nandito pa rin tayo to do this. So i-test out natin out of town experience for the Oppo Reno 13 series. Tingnan natin muna ngayon kung ano makakain dito, bakit ito yung pinili nila, and gusto ko lang ihagis yung phone sa dagat, pero mamaya na. So inudyukan tayo ni Ipadong, kunan daw natin to. Ay, wala kang pwede. Ate, pa-picture lang ha. Okay, so nandito na kami sa ferry, I guess.
This is a fast cat, ocean cat.
If there's a fast cat, is there a fast dog? Depende rin sa sasakyan nyo, pero yung nasakyan namin papunta, maganda yung headrest, so very comfortable, madali matulog. Tapos umalis kami ng port, ng Dumaguete Port. It will take you around 45 minutes bago kayo makarating sa Siquijor Port mismo. yun nga no, after namin mag-port, sumakay na kami sa shuttle and from port, dire-diretso na kami. Ayan yung mga gang. Diretso na kami papunta sa aming next destination, which is Golden View Resort. So yan, madali siya hanapin. Just check it out online. Makikita niyo yung details there. Hey guys, so we're here finally. Nasa Siquijor na kami. This is the Golden View Beach Resort here in Siquijor, and this is my room. So let's do a room tour for Gold or Building 3. This is room 12. Standard, it's okay. I don't expect din naman na super posh and ano, kasi syempre Siquijor. So anyway, and bed nila dito is really nice. And tapos diretso na sa bathroom, which is nice. I was looking for a veranda, pero apparently the veranda is just outside. So kung mag-yosi ako or anything, vape, just go outside, which is nice. So yun yung room tour. Let me just shift the camera. Okay, so bed. Yan. Okay, there. There's a nice setup there, over there. There's the Bash bag from Oppo and Bash Manila. Let's see. Aircon's there. And, how cute. Washroom's here. Tapos, shower room nila dito. Okay. Standard. Nice. Pretty cozy talaga, to be honest. Ayan. Bathroom. Okay. Ayan. So, aircon sa taas. May heater. And I have this room for myself. Alright, so yun muna. Let's do another update later. We'll be moving to another venue for sunsets. So let's do this. Okay, so our first stop sa aming tour sa Siquijor with Oppo for the Oppo Reno 13 is Labohon Terraces. It's also known as La Canopy dito sa locals, and 200 pesos ang entrance fee dito. As you can see, medyo pataas siya. So, hindi naman siya mahirap akyatin, pero medyo challenge din, especially kung medyo may kabigatan ka, and like me, mabigat. Pero yun, so far, marami namang nag-enjoy dito. So, as you can see, pagdating mo sa dulo, ito yung makikita niyong view. Super ganda. I wasn't expecting it to be really that beautiful, pero maganda siya. Maganda rin yung setup. May pool talaga siya. As in, super ganda. Mag-setup ka dito. Just chill. May bar din sila and may food naman. And, ayun. Yung pinaka point dito is, ayun. I'm gonna show you the Reno 13 5G. And I'll show you what we can do with this phone right now.
The Reno 13 Series Sunset Event. Experience the magic of Siquijor and discover the beauty of capturing life's moments with the Oppo Reno. Welcome to the Oppo Reno. Experience the magic of Siquijor and discover the beauty of capturing life's moments with the Oppo Reno 13 Series 5G. Let the magic of the Reno 13 Series 5G.
Yun na naman. At this point, no, hindi ko alam na kasama pala namin si Nadine, pero there she is. Sumama pala siya sa tour, and my clueless ass did not know until we were there. Tsaka si Atasha Mulak was also present during the tour, so that was a nice touch. Yeah, so after nito, we had dinner, and then uwi na kami, bumalik na kami sa resort. And this is day 2. We woke up early morning after breakfast. Yan, bumalik. So, yun nga. Traveling to Siquijor, seeing all the view, sobrang ganda. I want to come back here, and I can also see why there's a sudden buzz dito sa lugar na to. Why we're suddenly going. There's a lot of influx of travelers here compared sa ibang mga destinations. And this is Cambugahay Falls, still in Siquijor, and medyo, as you can see here, pababa, medyo matarik pababa, but it's well worth it pagdating nyo sa baba. And the reason why we are going down here this early in the morning is dahil itetest din namin yung strength and yung quality ng video ng Oppo Reno 13 in a freshwater setting. So as you can see here, there are a couple of different pools. I don't know what exactly tawag nun, pero yung different areas within the falls. There's one side na nag-shoot na si Nadine, and there are others that we can use to take videos and photos. Had to go up a little down the upriver para makita namin yung ibang part ng falls, and this is where we were able to shoot videos underwater. Again, the Oppo Reno 13 is waterproof, pero wag nyo siyang dadalhin sa dagat. It's freshwater na pwede siyang where it works, and as clearly as you can see here, maganda yung quality ng water, kaya kami pumunta dito, and you can see the fishes underwater. Ayan, as you can see here, maraming fishes. Sobrang saya din pumunta dito sa falls na to. And this is going to show you how perfect it is for outdoor activities, as long as hindi kayo pupunta ng dagat, and as long as hindi nyo naman ilulubog ng sobrang lalim yung unit, yung phone. It's gonna do just great for your out of town or your summer activities. Sakto ngayon, February na, magma-March na, so it's about time that you should invest in a new waterproof phone. And this is, by the way, what was it? It's IP69, IP68, and IP66 tests. So pasado siya sa standards. It can go for 80 degrees Celsius for hot water, and you can soak it in water, fresh water again, mga 2 meters and for 30 minutes. So medyo meron din kayong kailangan tandaan na okay, pero as it is pag standard na out of town lang kayo, magsiswimming kayo for summer, this is the perfect phone for you guys. There are also a couple of activities that you can do. You can rent out the swing for 20 pesos per swing. I think it's 20 pesos. I have to get back there. Ayun, so both sides ng river you can use the swing. You can also rent out yung balsa nila, yung little raft na nakikita nyo na yan. I'm not sure how much, pero you can rent it out para dadalhin ka nila doon sa gitna nung falls. You can take pictures there, you can take selfies, which is a good thing. And also, I have to warn you, kung pupunta kayo sa mga falls dito sa Siquijor, mataas yung hagdan, so be prepared kasi medyo hihingalin din kayo. And also, kung nandun din kayo sa area, I will suggest that you try out the charcoal ice cream. Apparently masarap siya. I was expecting it to taste like the charcoal ice cream dito sa Metro Manila, pero hindi masarap siya, malasa siya. So I guess it's just like food coloring. Pero may lasa naman din talaga na charcoal. So there's that. Tapos suggestion ko rin i-mix nyo rin with other flavors. I had avocado, pero they also had mango. And this is all for 30 pesos. So mura lang siya. And they also accept GCash, by the way. So in the afternoon, after nakapag-relax kami for a bit, dumiretso naman kami sa Runic Bar. Cliffside Bar is also in Siquijor. And first comment na naisip ko is medyo malayo yung papasok nila. That's again understandable kasi medyo yung ulo naman nito is cliff na mismo cliff. So party kayo sa cliff, which is a fun idea. You don't usually get that in a normal bar, diba, here in Manila. So here naman sa Runic, we just had to do a little bit of dinner. We lounged, chilled a little bit, and we hung out with a couple of artistas, namely si Nadine and si Natasha Mulak was there. There's also a lot of influencers and KOLs who were also there. So once there, we were able to take more photos. Maganda yung background for doing shots for the Oppo Reno 13. And then, syempre, the place was also really packing. It was really great. Maganda yung you'll never see something like this locally here in Manila. So it's something that when you're in Siquijor or in the island, you have to visit and check out. And really, the place is really nice. I also saw but di ko na nakunan, meron silang area for glamping. So yeah, you might want to check their site for the prices. Pero again, this is bawal bata. No, it's not talagang bawal ang bata. I just have to show that and tell that to you guys. Also we're able to take photos and makikisabay sa mga photographers as they take photos with celebs and with the influencers. And they also It was really nice backdrop for sunset. So perfect din talaga siya. So let me wrap up with this. So they ended the night with a nice photo shoot or photo op with the endorsers, ambassadors for Oppo. It was a fun time, daming inuman, and yeah, definitely babalik ako with my own cash. So thank you Oppo for sending me over, bringing me over to test out the Oppo Reno 13 and syempre to party with you guys. And I'll do another review just to show you more details in the next videos. Thanks guys, and I'll see you soon.